let me open my box of happiness. Well, this is the entire box. Let's see what all is there. I've got this diary from BSL with a pen. I can use this, right? And then I've got this badge card with my name on it. I can fix it here. And then I've got this lanyard with the identity card. I can wear it around my neck. Wow, great. Then I got this trophy which says, You are a shining star of BSL. Thank you very much. I've also got a box of celebrations, something to sweeten myself. Very nice. The next one is this certificate that I got. I'm an ESL certified English trainer now. And last but not the least, I think it remained inside the box. It's my appointment letter. So that is also what I got. So thank you very much, VSL, for all these gifts. And I hope this will all help me to become a good English teacher and be able to train others to speak English. Thank you.